Imagine this. Amazing as technology evolves. Now, before you rush out to buy a 4K camera, let me be real with you. 4K isn't always necessary. In fact, there are plenty of situations where 1080p is more than enough. So how do you decide when to use 4K? High-end production. If you're creating cinematic ads, luxury product showcases, or travel content, 4K is a must. It adds the wow factor that makes your brand look premium. Future proofing. If you want your content to remain relevant as 4K becomes the norm, it's worth investing in now. Cropping flexibility. Shooting in 4000 gives you more room to crop in post-production without losing quality. This is a game changer for repurposing content across platforms. When 1080p is enough. Quick, casual content. For Instagram stories, TikToks, or Facebook Lives, 1080p is perfectly fine. Most viewers won't notice the difference on smaller screens. Budget constraints. Let's be honest, 4K requires more storage, faster computers, and better editing software. If you're just starting out, 1080p is still a fantastic option. Faster workflow. 1080p files are smaller and easier to edit, which can save you a ton of time if you're producing content regularly. Here's the thing about 4K, it's incredible, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Before you dive in, here are a few challenges you need to be prepared for. Massive file sizes. 4K footage takes up a ton of space. We're talking gigabytes for just a few minutes of video. You'll need external hard drives or cloud storage to keep. Storage tip. Invest in a reliable SSD like the Samsung T7 or the SanDisk Extreme Pro for faster file transfers. Editing power. Editing. 4K requires a fast computer with a solid GPU. If your computer struggles with 1080p, you'll need to upgrade to handle for editing software. Programs like DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Final Cut Pro are popular choices for handling 4K footage. Export and upload times. Uploading 4K videos to platforms like YouTube can take forever, especially if your internet speed isn't great. Keep this in mind if you're on tight deadlines, alright? So here's the bottom line. Both 4K and 1080p have their place in content creation, and the best choice depends on your goals, audience, and resources. Go for 1000 in. You're creating high-end content, want to future-proof your videos, or need flexibility in post-production. Stick with 1080p if you're creating quick, casual content, working with a tight budget, or need a faster workflow. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you figure out the best resolution for your brand, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips. See you in the next video. Happy filming!